So I just pulled up and grabbed a shake, and a bird landed on my car. And I'm moving the car, and he just wants to sit there. I've pretty much moved all around Steak and Shake, and he still wants to take a ride on the bumper. He's really enjoying it, and I'm videoing him right now. He's got some friends in the back, and maybe some that landed on top of the car. I have no idea. Yes, here they are. They're all flying along the car, trying to get him off. But he's happy where he is. Car's still moving. This is just an amazing sight.